guys, my name is Queenie and I'm 7 years old. I live in Orange County, California. Today, me and my uncle buy POP MART and it's Hello Kitty. And my favorite character is my Melody. Like if you think I got my Melody and subscribe me if I don't get my Melody. Let's open it. And here it is. Let me get out the tape. Are you ready? I opened it and 3, 2, 1. Pochacco. Pochacco. Wow. I got Pochacco. Now I had to open it. Need to get the things out. Okay, let me get this wrapper out. And I have to get those things out. And there's also one gun, but it's not real. Get this gun. It says Molly. You could put it on his hand and you could open it, and it's a girl. in Pop Mart. And if you guess it right, say yes in the comment. If you didn't guess it right, you can say no in the comments. And bye guys.